So today I'm going to do a quick little video just sharing with you all something that I recently got in email. If y'all are anything like me, and I don't know if it's our age and people trying to scam us or what, but I get so many emails with, that says that I have bought something and to contact them, and I've renewed a subscription and they're getting ready to charge me $800, and it looks like it's your PayPal account. They've got the PayPal logo and stuff like that. Of course, I've never clicked on it because I know it's a scam, because I get 15 to 20 of them every day. And unfortunately, when you do YouTube videos, there are people that try to give you opportunities that don't exist, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. This actually, I said, if you make YouTube videos, but from what I'm reading, this is kind of been going out and trying to scam people in the Nashville area. Now, I'm not going to say who these people are, because just in case they're legitimate, which I'm going to tell you all the reasons why I don't think this is. Just in case, I don't want to besmirch their names, but I got this email and it was from this man, and it was addressed to Missy. Not many people know me as Missy. That's what my grandchildren call me. And it had a copy to this other man. And I looked them both up. It says, "Hi, Melissa. You're invited to an exclusive screening of the new CBS original series, The Road, premiering this October on CBS and streaming on Paramount Plus." Then it tells who it's by. It's along with Blake Shelton and Keith Urban. It tells about the show. It's a journey to discover the next big musician, I guess a country music star. It provides a backstage pass into the gritty and unforgiving life of a touring artist. So it's like people going on the road and what it's like. And I gather it's a competition too. They put people on the road and it's going to be a competition. That's what I understand. Join us, it says, a few days before, on Tuesday, October 14th, for an exclusive screening at the Old Red Nashville, featuring the cast. Keith Urban, Blake Shelton, they're all going to be there. Special performances, food, drinks, and more surprises, so you can experience the journey firsthand before the premiere on the 16th. Please let us know if you can make it by Tuesday, October 7th to secure your spot. Looking forward to seeing you there. Well, stupid me, I got excited. I went and talked to Doug. I said, I think I want to go. He said, you do? You're not a country music fan? I said, no, but this is an opportunity to meet some famous people, look behind the scenes, and they're going to cater to us, and those that are invited and all that kind of stuff. And he was like, oh, well, okay, whatever you want to do. So I thought about it, and I thought about it, and I thought about it. And I thought, why? I'm this older, average, non-important person over in East Tennessee. Why would they invite me? Nobody knows me except for my small people that you do. My small people of friends. Nobody knows me. Nobody is going to be inviting me to anything. So it says at the bottom, underneath the big picture, the poster of it, it says, Evite is embedded below. So I got to clicking where it said the Evite was embedded below. Well, it's not, because I figured this is a picture. So what they want you to do is, they've got a telephone number here, and they want you to call them, and they want to pretend that you're going to get to go to this thing. I don't know what their end goals are, but could be to try to get money out of me. Yes, you get to go. Give us Send us $100, $200 and we'll secure your place to be able to meet Blake Shelton and Keith Urban. I looked up CBS's who does their promo stuff, and it wasn't these two guys that had sent me this email. It was a big company. They do all their promo stuff. It was done first rate, and you know, they had big followings and everything. They handled Paramount, they handled CBS. It was a big deal. So I looked up these two guys, the one that sent it to Missy, and the one that it was a copy to, and I looked them up, and let me say, I can't imagine CBS actually using them for their PR stuff. Maybe so, but I can't imagine it. One of them, in one of his pictures, now I'll have to spell it out because it's a nasty little thing that he had on his t-shirt, so I'll have to spell it out because I don't want to say it anyway, but I would get a strike against me on YouTube. He was wearing a t-shirt. Now he's, supposedly hired by CBS to do all this. Who ate all the PUSSY? And I'm thinking, I don't think CBS would use somebody that was so unprofessional. And I'm not even sure that they're in this country. These two people, I'm not even sure. I think that they might be in another country because other pictures were taken in another country. Like I said, I'm not going to say if they are. But I want you to be aware of this. I want you to look carefully and look at this, especially from what I'm reading. This is going out in the Nashville area, and it's made its way. I live 2.5 hours from Nashville, but it's made its way over to East Tennessee. And I have to say, this isn't the first time I've been contacted by these people. The first time it wasn't anything I was interested in, and I thought it was legit. This one, I still, I didn't ever block them because I thought it was legit. I didn't dig into it because it wasn't anything I was interested in. But this one, I was kind of interested in and thought about going until I realized that I was being naive and that it was a probable scam. I can't say for certain, but I think it's a probable scam. Looking at these two guys, I just can't believe that CBS would hire them for their PR. It's just hard for me to believe. Maybe so. I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt, but I'm not going to be contacting them, and especially when it says your Evite, click below for your Evite to take you to our site. And it wasn't there, which makes me think there are no live links on here. The only thing that this is a picture of the invite to official people that were actually invited to this premiere. So I wanted to tell you to beware of emails that say that your PayPal account is being charged $800 for an iPhone that of course you did not order. Don't click on anything, don't reply to them, just block them. I told Doug, I said, I think we're getting to the age where we're trying to get scammed. He said, I think younger people, they're trying to scam them too. So it may just be all of us, but if you're in Tennessee, beware of this invite. So this was a little quick one. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. Love you all. Talk to you all in a couple of days. And keep your head on a swivel and be aware of scams. Bye-bye.